Are you new to Excel and don't know where to start? No worries. In this part, we'll go step by step, from opening Excel to understanding its interface. By the end, you'll be comfortable navigating Excel like a pro. Let's dive in. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program used for calculations, organizing data, and creating reports. It's widely used in offices, businesses, and even for personal tasks like budgeting and scheduling. Think of Excel as a digital notebook, but with superpowers. Instead of just writing things down, you can perform automatic calculations, create charts, and analyze data with just a few clicks. Opening Excel and choosing a workbook. Let's start by opening Excel. Click on the Start menu, type Excel, and select the app. On Mac, go to Applications, find Microsoft Excel, and open it. When Excel opens, you'll see the home screen with two main options. These are pre-designed spreadsheets for things like budgets, invoices, calendars, and reports. If you need a quick solution, these are great. This lets you start from scratch and learn everything step by step. For this tutorial, I'll click on New Blank Workbook so we can build our skills from the ground up. Understanding the Excel interface. Now that we have a blank workbook open, let's break down the different parts of the screen. Workbook. This is your Excel file. It contains one or more worksheets or sheets where data is stored. Worksheet. This is the actual page where you work with data. Think of it as a single page in a notebook. Cells. These are the small rectangular boxes where we enter data. Each cell is identified by a column letter, A, B, C, a row number, 1, 2, 3. The first cell in the top left corner is A1. A is represent column and 1 is the row. Ribbon and tabs. This is the top menu that contains different tools. Home tab, basic formatting, font styles and alignment. Insert tab, charts, tables, and pictures. Formulas tab, where we do calculations. Imagine the ribbon is like a toolbox. Each tab has different tools to help you work faster and smarter. Basic navigation and quick tips. Before we start entering data, let's learn some quick navigation tips. Moving between cells, use arrow keys left, right, up and down, or click directly on a cell. Zoom in and out. Zoom in and out, hold Control or Command on Mac, and scroll your mouse wheel. Save your work, click File. Save as or press Ctrl+S to save your file frequently. Pro tip, get into the habit of saving your work often. You don't want to lose progress after entering lots of data. Great job! Now you know how to open Excel, choose a workbook, and navigate the interface. In the next part, we'll start entering and formatting data. Hit the like button if you're excited, and let's continue.